Hey there my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this gorgeous rose gold eye makeup look for Valentine's Day, and I'm also going to be sharing how I got this gorgeous updo on my faux locks. This tutorial is especially designed for women of color, so you don't know, like my chocolate sisters, my dark caramel sisters, and this is perfect for either a daytime or nighttime look for Valentine's Day. It's a full face tutorial, so if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Starting off with the hair, I'm just going to be prepping my locks, and I'm going to be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax, and I absolutely love this product. It smells so good and it has a little hold, so I'm just going to be applying that to my edges and along the length of the hair.
Do you use that devil up in the red dress, got undressed and redressed?
Once that's done, I'm going to be taking two locks in the front and I'm separating those, and then I'm just going to put the rest of the hair back. This is so that I can get it into a really high ponytail.
She said that her brain vibrates way higher than the games that I'm playing now. Oh my God, you're so intelligent. Evidently you are heaven sent. I wanna waste all my time with you.
Now that we have our ponytail, I'm just going to be taking medium sections of locks. I'm going to be twirling it all the way down to the end, and then I'm going to wrap it around the bun and secure it with some hairpins. This is really important, but like this is a part where you get to have fun. You don't have to put them all in the same direction. Just be sure to have fun with it and make it look the way you want it to look.
Show you right, yeah. 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 Here goes some brand new flavor for you.
Now that that's done, I'm going to be taking the two locks in the front and I'm applying some more product to the end. This is so that I can get a little bit of hold, because we're going to be getting some curling action with our handy dandy flexi rods. I'm just going to be wrapping the locks around this just to see what kind of curls we can get in the front, because I think that would be so cute.
Wind up together or whatever, like, but I should be chasing cheddar.
Now I'm taking my Tresemme Tress Gel and I'm going to be applying that to my edges just to give the style more of a sleek appearance. I absolutely love this gel because it's very light, but once that's done, I'm going to smooth that in and just wrap my hair so that the style can set.
What? I guess. Don't focus on earning money. Ooh, that's what Weezy told me. And that man never lied. You worry about who that you love and why don't you get money? That's what Khalifa taught me. And that man know we right. Show you right, yeah. Show you right, yeah. Show you right, yeah.
Okay, so I'm first beginning by just removing any excess makeup that may be on my face, and I'm using a wet wipe to do this. Next, I'm going to begin by just grooming my eyebrows. You guys know I already have an eyebrow tutorial up on my channel. I do have an updated tutorial. If it's not up before this video goes up, just check the description bar. I'm going to be linking both of them down there. So basically, ladies, all you're going to be doing is just filling in your brows, and be sure to blend out the front so that it gets that really nice faded look. And then you just clean up with your favorite concealer. Be sure that the concealer is at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin. And yeah, just be sure to blend that out so you don't walk out looking all kinds of cray, alright? To moisturize my face, I'm using my L'Oreal Sublime Glow Moisturizer. I love this. It's a tinted moisturizer, but it allows your makeup just to glide on, and it also protects your face from getting dried out from your makeup. So just be sure to moisturize before you apply any makeup to your face. Now I'm taking my Philips Milk of Magnesia, and I'm going to be using this to prime my face. Now, you guys know about this on YouTube. It's famous for priming. It's very perfect for women of color because it mattifies the foundation so nicely, and it just helps it to stay on longer. It does it kind of crazy, but just be sure to blend it out so that you get a really nice coverage of your foundation. Taking my Jordana eye primer, I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid. This is going to give my shadows something to stick to and help them to stay on all day or all night. Then right onto my lid, I'm taking some of that concealer that I use for my brows, and I'm using this just to brighten up my crease. Well, brighten up my crease. I'm using this to brighten up my lid and act as a base for my eyeshadow colors. The very first color I'm applying is this brown pressed powder actually, and I love doing this step because it helps the rest of my transition colors to apply effortlessly, and it just makes it really smooth, a really smooth transition. Now for my actual transition color, I'm taking this reddish brown from Arista Cosmetics, and it's called Nutmeg. You guys will see me use this later on for something else as well, but I absolutely love this color. Now I'm just wiping my eyeshadow brush in this wet wipe so that I can get it nice and damp. And you guys are going to be seeing I'm taking this brush and picking up this rose gold color right here. I absolutely love gold on darker skin tones. I'm just going to be applying that to the inner 2/3 of my eyes. Golds on darker skin tones look really nice because it just complements the undertones in our skin, and it's kind of hard to pick a wrong gold if you're of a darker skin complexion, so just pick your favorite gold and go crazy. To fill out that outer V, I'm going to be taking this brown from my Flawless Brow Trio from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be blending that into the rose gold color. I'm also going to be taking a blending brush and blending that into my crease just to deepen the outer part of my crease and make the look a lot more smoky.
I'll slap it on my grandma if I have one. I want you to have my kids, girl, give me a black son. You can call this pretty hair, give him all that black look. Girl, I love your black thoughts, baby, let me have some. Baby, I slap it on my padre. Girl, I mess with you the long way, like all day. You can probably shop at Prada, but you'd rather Target. You the type to make $1 million, give it all away. I slap it on your mama's tambourine.
Now taking this gold from this LA Colors Trio in Sunshine, I'm going to be applying that all over the rose gold color just to take away some of the pinkness that it has and give it more of a golden appearance. Once that's done, we're going to be highlighting our brow bone, and I'm going to be using that pressed powder there. This is going to give the brows a little more pop and, you know, make the eyes a little more sexy.
And you know mama don't like no tools around.
Lining my lash line now with this black pencil, and you can use any black pencil that you have. And I'm going to be also following that up by just smoking out the lower lash line with this same brown right here, and that's just going to smoke out the lash line really nicely. Now I'm making a really nice wing at the corner of my eyes, and you don't have to do this, ladies. This is totally optional. It's not necessary at all, but because I'm going to be applying false lashes, I just want to have a nice wing. Now taking my two favorite mascaras, I'm going to be applying these to my top and bottom lashes. This is the Cream Color Girl Talk mascara and the dupe for the Maybelline Volume Express. If you're not going to be wearing lashes, then applying a generous amount of mascara, like 2 to 3 coats, that will definitely suffice. Taking my Glam Eye number 99 Remy lashes. You guys know the Remy lashes are like my favorite right now. They're all I use. I'm just applying those just to give the eyes a little more flair and add some more sexiness to it. Yeah, I'm doing that. Now for my foundation, I'm taking Cocoa and Caramel by Maybelline, and this is the Dream Liquid Mousse foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, especially for women of color. They have a really nice wide range of colors to choose from, and it gives you this really nice airbrush finish, and I love that you can blend it to get the perfect shade for you. It just gives the makeup a really nice finish, and it just looks airbrushed, totally airbrushed, especially with this stippling brush from BH Cosmetics. I love it. Now Now to add some life back to our face, I'm highlighting under my eyes, my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. You guys know this move, you see it all the time, but I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to do this, and I'm going to be blending that out with my large blending brush from BH Cosmetics. You guys will see this concealer is so good. It blends like a dream. Like, it's not even funny. It really does blend like a dream. I absolutely love it. So after that, I'm just going to be following that up by blending it out. Any harsh edges that I may have, I'm going to blend that out with my foundation brush, so you won't even see it. Don't worry, we're not going to walk outside looking like that. We're just going to blend those out really nicely.
No money, no food, more drama, cause the sun keeps shining, but the crops keep dying. It ain't rained in weeks. He been planting these mustard seeds, hoping things would get better. His wife complaining like,
so to set those highlighted areas, I'm taking my black opal deluxe finishing powder in medium, and I'm just going to be setting those highlighted areas. I absolutely love black opal products. They're definitely designed for women of darker skin tones, and they're really affordable. They also photograph really well. They look really nice in pictures. To set my face, I'm taking my Iman pressed powder in earth medium, and that's what I'm going to finish off the setting process with. I absolutely love this powder. To contour my face, I'm taking Nutmeg, that very same crease color that I applied, and I'm just going to be warming up my face by contouring with this. I love this color. I'm running out and I'm going crazy because I really don't know where I'm going to get it again, but it's a really gorgeous brown color. It's beautiful. I'm just warming up my face by contouring, and contouring looks really great in pictures, you guys. Now I'm taking this blush by LA Colors, and it's called Natural, and it's like a peachy kind of pink. If you're of a darker skin tone, I do recommend you stay away from ashy colors like bright pinks and bright oranges. Stay so like warmer colors like brown, you know, deep reds and plum colors. To give me a really nice glow, I'm taking my bronzer by LA Colors as well, and it's in Bronze Glow, and yo, the glow this gives is just absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't do too much, but I'm just taking that along the high points of my cheeks and also in the other areas that I did highlight. Now onto my lips. I'm taking Plush Red Lip Liner by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm going to be lining my lips with that and also filling them in. Ladies, oh my god, you have no idea how gorgeous red lips look on darker skin tones. Unlike with shadows, you do have to do your homework though. I'm taking Berry Ice and I'm applying that right on top, and it is important to pick the right red for your skin tone. To give it some gloss, I'm applying this glazed lip paint by LA Girl, yeah, and it's in the color Pin Up.
No, he can, blessings on his hand, come get a handout. And I don't mean a corn can from Uncle Sam, busted knuckles on my hand from all this hustling and sucker punching.
Now that I took my scarf off, I'm going to be taking out the flexi rods, and you guys will see this part was an epic fail. The curls didn't get to set because I didn't have enough time, but you know, I thought, what can I do? So I started to play around with it, and I just decided if I pin it up a little bit like so, that does look kind of cute. So that's what I did. I just tucked that under my bun, and if you guys have enough time, it will look exactly like you want it to look because it will have time to set. But I'm taking the same bronzer and I'm going to be applying that to my tear duct just to make the eyes glow and attract some light. So here is a finished look, ladies. A really nice, dewy, crisp, clean Valentine's Day look. Absolutely love it. If you guys enjoy this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. I love you guys so much. Stay naturally beautiful, and I see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Don't forget to check out my background music. The download link will be in the description bar below.
Crack a Vienna sausage sandwich, cop a couple crates of salmon, steak and block the block and call the family. Famine don't exist where love and money dances, getting fed around here. Archduke getting blessed, gon' spread that bread around here. Remember when we didn't have that, now we looking like the man around here. Oh yeah, like I just left the car like some